Dear students, let's continue the same lesson, Treasure Island. So, we studied that Billy was telling Jim to shift him to a safe place. Why? Because the pirates were coming to take that old sea chest. Now, next paragraph. But Jim soon forgot Billy's problems. What Billy was having that problem, this Jim forgot it. Why? Because on that same night, for later that night, the doctor Livesey told him that his father had died. Okay. On the same night, when this Billy was telling his problem, on that same night, Jim's family doctor told him that his father died. Understood? Next, that's why Jim forgot Billy's problem and he began to give attention to his dead father. The same day that Jim's father was laid to rest means died. The same day that Jim's father was laid to rest, a blind old pirate called Blind Pew came to the Admiral Benbow. On the same day, on the same day that Jim's father was laid to rest, Jim's father's cremation took place. Means Jim's father had died, and that's why his final rites were performed by his son and wife. On that same day, a blind old pirate called Blind Pew came to the Admiral Benbow. Admiral Benbow is the name of that hotel. On that same day, a blind person came there, and his name was Blind Pew. Came to the Admiral Benbow. Jim unwittingly led him into the bar. Jim did not know why that person came there. That's why, without knowing the problem of Billy, he directly took that man into the bar or that hotel, where he slapped a circular piece of black paper into the Bill's hand before he could avoid him. And when that strange person, Blind Pew, came into the hotel, he saw Billy and he gave him a letter. Circular piece of black paper means a letter, warning letter he gave him. Blind Pew gave a letter to this Billy. Billy was trying to avoid him, but he could not avoid him. And at last, that Blind Pew gave that letter summons, black spot. He gave that black spot to Billy. By the time Blind Pew had taken his leave again, Billy lay gasping on the floor. When Blind Pew gave that letter and he left the hotel or that inn, Billy lay gasping on the floor. Billy became serious and he was lying on the ground and he was unable to take breathing. He was having the problem of breathing, dying of a massive stroke. Again, he was attacked by that cardiac attack or heart attack, dying of a massive stroke. His last words were that the pirates would be upon him that same evening. Before dying, the Billy told Jim that those pirates will come here in this hotel to search me. Means those pirates will come to search Billy, and he died. Jim and his mother, now at last Billy died. Jim and his mother quickly searched through Billy's precious sea chest. Now Jim and his mother, what they did? They also knew that at any time those pirates will come there to search Billy's valuable thing, that is sea chest. Sea chest means it is a wooden box having important documents in it. That's why Jim and his mother quickly searched through Billy's precious sea chest. That sea chest was very precious, means valuable, important. His mother took as much coins as to cover the old pirates' rent. Jim's mother took as much coins as to cover the old pirates' rent. That old Billy, the old man, Billy had not paid the room rent of that inn or restaurant. That first she took room rent amount from his pocket, and not a half penny more. What was the rent of that room? That much she took, and not extra money. She did not take extra money from his pocket. While Jim found an intriguing means complicated, difficult to understand. While Jim found an intriguing bundle of papers wrapped in oilcloth, while his mother was taking coins from that Billy's pockets, her son found a strange bundle or complicated bundle of papers, and that those papers were covered in oilcloth. Wrapped means cover. They were covered in oilcloth, which he pocketed as payment for his services. Jim, what he did, took those papers and put those papers in his pocket as the service he had provided to the service he had provided to Billy or Bill. Alarmed by, let us stop here.